Ekabo, welcome to Yoruba Daily. I am Babajide. Today, I take you deep into the sacred soil of Ile-Ife, the spiritual heartbeat of the Yoruba world. We are going to uncover the long line of Onis, the divine kings of Ife. Long before city rose and long before modern maps were drawn, there was Ile-Ife, the house of expansion. It is said that from this sacred land, the world itself began. The first name whispered in the winds of the time is Oduduwa. After Oduduwa came a line of powerful and mysterious rulers. The second Oni, Obalufon Ogbogbodirin, was said to live for centuries, wise, long buried, and deeply spiritual. Then came his son, Obalufon Alayemore, who ruled during the golden age of hearts and bronze casting. Many of the famous Ife bronze heads may have been crafted under his guardian. Speak also of Ogun, who is the god of iron, who some traditions say sat on the throne of Ife. If true, this connects the sacred power of the kingship to craft, war, and then came Oronyo, a royal prince, son of Oduduwa, founder of other kingdoms like Oyo and Benin, who returned to sit on the throne of Ife. These were not just rulers, they were architects of Yoruba civilization. In Ife, kingship is not just political, it is divine. The Oni of Ife is more than a king. He is a spiritual father, a living symbol of God. He leads the people, yes, but he also conducts rituals, oversees festivals, and guards the sacred groves. The crown he wears is not just regular, especially the Adeari. It is sacred anthem woven with beads, symbols, and spirits. Even in death, the Oni journey continues because a king in Ife never truly dies. He becomes ancestor, spirit, legend. More than 50 kings have ruled Ife, each adding a layer to this ancient dynasty. In the northern part of Ile-Ife lies Igbo-Olokun, a place of mystery and one of Africa's greatest archaeological treasures. Archaeologists uncovered over 13,000 glasses beads, blue, green, red, yellow, multicolored beads that are over 1,000 years old. But more than beauty, they found yes, Ife was not just importing glasses, they were making it locally, technologically, spiritually. Beads were currencies, beads were ritual, beads were worn by royalty and gods alike. This finding rewrites world history. They show that Ife had technology equal to or greater than parts of Europe and Asia. Let's name some of the kings who held the sacred stool. Oduduwa, the origin. Obalufon Ogbogbodirin. Obalufon Alayemore. Ogun, divine and fair. Oronyo, warrior and founder. Oni Lajamison, tied to the Sango priesthood. Oni Ademiluyi Ajagun, who modernized the court. Oni Adesoji Aderemi, first Oni to become a governor in Nigeria. Oni Okun Adesijuade Olubusheke, modern diplomat and traditionalist. And today we have Oni Enitan Adeyeye Oguwusi Ojaja Keji, a king who bridged traditions and technology, culture, and command. More than 50 kings have ruled Ife. And the king of Ife were not just rulers, they were priests, warriors, builders, artists, and philosophers. The stone of Ife are not just objects, they are portals to the past, echoes of ritual, carriers of Ashe. Oromiyan, the sixth Oni of Ife, the son of Oduduwa, left Ile-Ife as a warrior prince to found distant kingdom, Oyo and Benin. But despite this success, the elder, saying his divine lineage and warrior experience, begged him to take the throne. He restored harmony to the land, and so warrior became king. Obalufon Alayemore, the fifth Oni of Ife, was not just a ruler, he was a lover of beauty, a patron of art. Under his reign, the famous Ife bronze and terracotta heads were believed to have been created. He commissioned sacred objects, masks, and ancestral images to preserve Ife's heritage. He invented skilled metalwork and clay artisans, elevating Ife as a center of world-class artistry. Luwo, the only female who has ever ruled Ife, she was said to be intelligent and elegant and strict in her reign, loved beauty and cleanliness, introducing new customs. And now the throne is held by Oni Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi Ojaja Keji, the unifier of all Yoruba race. Today, Ife is still alive. The Oni still rules from the ancient palace. Festivals are still held. Glass beads are still made, though fewer now. But time is moving fast. We must protect this legacy from erosion, from mining, from forgetfulness. The king of Ife gave us a foundation. The stone beneath gave us tools and beauty. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà. My name is Babajide Omawerewoya from Yoruba Daily. If this journey moved you, share it and let the world know that from this ancient land, civilization rose and still rises. Ẹ ṣé o, ó dìgbà, ire o.